Imagine waking up a few years from now, knowing that your money is working quietly in the background, supporting real companies, real products, and real growth. No hype, no shortcuts, just a clear and sensible approach. If you're living in the United States and you've ever felt confused, overwhelmed, or even scared of the stock market, this video is for you. In 2026, investing is more accessible than ever, but only those who understand the basics and stay disciplined truly benefit. The stock market, at its simplest level, is a place where people buy ownership in businesses. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a company. You are not gambling on numbers going up and down on a screen. You are becoming a partial owner of a business that sells products, provides services, employs people, and aims to grow over time. This mindset alone separates beginners who succeed from those who struggle. In 2026, successful investors focus on ownership and long-term growth, not quick wins. Today's market is fully digital, fast, and information-driven. You can open an account in minutes, research companies from your phone, and invest small amounts regularly. Prices move because millions of buyers and sellers react to news, performance, and expectations. The key difference in 2026 is that tools are simpler and access is wider, but noise is louder. Social media, trends, and opinions can distract you. That's why having a clear plan matters more than ever. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a solid foundation. Make sure you are not relying on the stock market for short-term needs. Money that you may need soon should not be exposed to market ups and downs. Investing works best when you give it time. Have a clear reason for investing, whether it's long-term growth, future security, or building wealth gradually. When your goal is clear, your decisions become calmer and smarter. As a beginner, one of the biggest questions is what to invest in. You generally have two broad paths. One is investing in individual companies you understand. These should be businesses with clear products or services, stable operations, and a track record of growth. If you cannot explain how a company earns money in simple words, it's better to stay away until you learn more. The second path is investing in broad market options that hold many companies together. This approach spreads risk and removes the pressure of picking the perfect company. In 2026, diversification is one of the most powerful tools beginners have.
Another important point is how much to invest. You don't need a large amount to begin. Many people delay investing because they think they need thousands of dollars, but consistency matters far more than size. Investing small amounts regularly builds discipline and confidence. Over time, as your income grows, your investments can grow too. What matters most is building the habit and staying consistent, not trying to time the market perfectly. Risk is something beginners often misunderstand. Risk does not mean guaranteed loss. It means prices move up and down in the short term. These movements are normal and expected. Many beginners lose money not because the market fails, but because they panic during downturns. In 2026, smart investors accept that volatility is part of the journey. They manage risk by spreading investments, staying patient, and focusing on long-term goals instead of daily price changes. There are also common mistakes that beginners should avoid. Chasing trending stocks without understanding them is one of the biggest. Another is trying to trade frequently without experience. Putting all your money into one company, reacting emotionally to news, or selling during fear can undo years of progress. The stock market rewards discipline, not constant action. Doing less, but doing it consistently, often leads to better results. The most important skill you can develop as a beginner is a long-term mindset. The stock market is not a shortcut to wealth. It is a tool that rewards patience, learning, and consistency. Thinking in years instead of days changes everything. Instead of asking what will happen tomorrow, ask where this investment could be in 5 or 10 years. This shift alone can protect you from many costly mistakes. In 2026, the opportunity is real, but so is the responsibility. The market is open to everyone, yet success still belongs to those who stay calm, informed, and focused. You don't need complex strategies or constant monitoring. You need a clear plan, simple choices, and the discipline to stay the course. Start small, keep learning, invest with purpose, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you're a beginner today, you're not late, you're just getting started. If you like this video, please subscribe for more finance tips and like the video.